I'm saying, I know you got all your favorites or whatever, but when you want to really put on a lyrical test and a beat test or whatever, we'll take them. It ain't nothing to us, you know what I'm saying?
Blow out the flow, world charmer, who got the virus? Pearl Harbor, casino classic, freeloader, weed smoking bastards, Gambinos on amino acid, biohazards, faster than Hoover, the Hoover vacuum, the chart spot remover, sack 'em, faster the walls when you guard Nebraska to Alaska, pipeline. The right rhyme massacre through racial barriers, the aircraft carrier severe, smear your mascara there, the skin lab, tear your flesh everywhere, sooner burst, scum dogs of the universe, when will you learn? You get burned. Lay down, motherfucker, lay down, lay down, lay down, lay down, spray sound, lay down. Lay down, motherfucker, lay down. Don't get up, lay down. Lay down.
Better than I be set to blow a nigga up with my 5 fingers to death. I bring it to his whole damn fam. Understand if you frontin' on any man down with the clan, I be coming for that headpiece. You can't cope for my brother. I bring it to the blow, word the mother. Serial killer sound from the gals of stat. My peoples, are you with me where you at?
But anyway, we just been chilling, man. I'm glad to hear from y'all motherfuckers, man. Word up, you know what I'm saying?
I mean,
because I know when we get back,
I mean, they listen.
No doubt they listening, because they know where the fuck this shit started at. If y'all notice, we rung this shit back. We rung it back. Hip hop was on its edge. It was really fucked up, the politics and all that shit. But once we came in, we set a new mark, man.
Don't even catch me while I'm blunted. Rhymes start running like loops on an SB1200. Instruments of terror on war shit was corporate. Visual niggas paint portraits. VA shadow light from the Wu Mansion. Still branching off the tree that sparked in EMC. And the fruit that fell far was the ripest. Hit with Cypress. Let the media hype this. Promotion niggas snipe this. Push it like Trey Bags in 72. Kept niggas in suede rags. Microphone psycho. Who flips the mic so well? Hell without bell. Engines packed like jail cells. There's no escaping. Once my blade starts scraping, niggas flaking. Wanna be MCs shaking. My sword indeed make more niggas bleed so swift. Naked eye couldn't record the speed. I lost ya with that offer, nigga that'll cost ya. Feel the screams of torture. Must have been a half gal if the shit he drinking. They got him thinking that he can crash the ship and get me sinking. I told him come back when you're sober. Drunk ass punk on a motherfucking hunt for Red October. Don't even catch me while I'm blunted. Rhymes start running like loops on an SB1200. Instruments of terror on war shit was corporate. Visual niggas paint portraits.